Hey everyone, it's Faith Harvey, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my peeps. So, to start right away, I thought we'd start by talking about myself. I'm 25 years old. I was born in 1995. I have a bachelor's in elementary education, and I have a brother whose name is Brock. On to my parents. My mom is a hairdresser and a business owner who was born in Ontario and moved to Georgia in 2009 with my father, who is an engineer and he has an associate's degree. He was born in 1969 and we moved here because of his job. My grandmother on my mom's side was a nurse, though she left work on disability after a car accident. She was born in 1943. My grandfather was born in Zurich, Ontario. He worked at Chrysler and he passed away a couple years ago from a heart attack. My grandfather on my father's side had a master's degree in education and he was a principal. This is the only connection to education that I have throughout, as far as I can see, in my family. He also passed away from a heart attack a few years back. My grandmother on my dad's side, she was born in 1942. She passed away in 1992, a couple years before I was born. She was a certified general accountant, and she died from cancer. Moving on to my great grandparents, my grandmother's mom is Mary, and her maiden name was Hogan Regier, and she was Irish. She was a farmer's wife and she loved to bake. She had 10 kids and two of them were sets of twins. I thought that was a pretty cool fact. She passed away in a car accident in 2001, I believe. Joseph Regier, he spoke German and English. His family was originally from Germany, and we'll talk about that in a second. And he was a farmer. Jeramette, or Jane, on my mom's dad's side of the family was a farmer's wife and they had 11 kids. I kind of started to notice that my mom's side of the family had a lot of farmers and farmers' wives, and they all sort of came from Ireland and Germany, whereas my dad's was a little bit different. They came from France and Quebec. And then my grandfather's father, we know very little about him, but he was a farmer. Henry Harvey is my grandfather on my dad's side, so my great grandfather. He worked 48 years at Hiram Walker, which I just found out was a whiskey facility, and they made one of the first Canadian whiskeys. And he was married at the age of 23, which I found very interesting because my grandmother was married at the age of 18. It shows you how young people got married back in the day, and some of them were even younger when we looked at some of my uncles and aunts. I thought that was really interesting. So she was born in 1915 and she was unemployed. She was really sick for a long time and she actually died 1 month after her husband. So I thought that was pretty interesting too. And they had 4 kids. My grandmother, who passed away from cancer before I was born, her father was Dona Dickey, and he was a production worker at Ford. And then Eleanor Dickey was unemployed, and we don't know very much about her. If we go back up, so now when we go into like this 5th generation, I was able to find a lot of information from my grandmother on my mom's side family versus my grandfather. My grandfather passed away a couple years ago, so I was able to actually call my grandma and have some really great conversations with her and just about my family from the past. So John and Cecilia, who are her moms, my grandmother's moms, parents, they were from Ireland. So their parents came from Ireland with them when they were younger. And then John and Elizabeth both came from Germany. So I have a little bit of German and a little bit of Irish parts of me. And then if we go down to Marguerite, she had 2 parents, and I'm actually going to show you something really cool because I was able to go back really far with her because I think someone on Ancestry.com, which my dad and I, once this assignment was given, I was so excited about diving deeper, and we were able to get super far with Marguerite Harvey, and there was a lot of information. I'm sure someone who is related to me went into Ancestry.com and put in all this information. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But Corinne was born in 1890. She passed away in 1939 from a gallbladder attack. And then Elzier Jean, he was born in 1880 and died in 1959. We don't know how many kids they had. We just know that Marguerite was one of them. If we go into this ancestry, as you can see, so I was able to put in all the family that I had, but when we got into, they called her Margaret, so that's why I have it here as this, but Marguerite is her official name. When we got into her parents, we were able to go all the way back to about the 1600s. So we can tell that my family on that side came from France, and that's when they moved to Quebec, which makes sense because a lot of my family and my grandparents spoke French, and so we kind of assumed that we came from Quebec, but it's neat to see that we actually came from France and then came to Quebec, and it seems to have happened very soon because I guess in the 1700s is when they moved over to Quebec. So another cool thing that I found on Ancestry.com, which by the way, I just did the free 14-day trial, was I was able to find some really cool pictures. So this is actually my great-great-grandfather, and I was able to find that of him. My mom thought that was awesome, and so did my grandma. We were super excited about that. And then this is a picture of, right here, is a picture of the marriage license between Marguerite and Henry Harvey, which are Marguerite was the one who I was able to find more on Ancestry.com than anyone else, dating all the way back to 1600s, which was really cool. But I think it's neat to see these marriage certificates back then. A lot of the documents that I saw were all written in French, so since I know very, very little, it was definitely hard for me to dig through and understand what they were. And then over here, this is a picture of my grandmother who passed away a few years before I was born. And so it was kind of neat. This is about her wedding. And so is this one. This is her and my grandfather, who are both passed at this point. But I thought it was really neat. They have newspaper clippings and everything from back then. So I definitely recommend doing that free trial. But other than that, I thought this activity was so neat, and I can't wait to see everyone else's.